Hello, fellow Snapchat. Hello, Snapchat people. My nose! Ronnie's sick. I look like Rudolph. So, Ronnie got sick. She got way more sick than I was. She had a fever of 103. And so, since Ronnie has been sick, we actually haven't been able to work on the rhyming song. So we will not do the rhyming song this Tuesday. So what that means is that there will be no rhyming song this Tuesday, but you guys can still comment 2 lines that rhyme on the video.
The only positive thing about me getting sick is I can hit those low notes. No.
Yeah, I can't sing those.
I'm feeling a lot better. I actually went to urgent care and the doctor there gave me medicine. He gave me some amoxicillin and he also gave me some cough syrup. I've been feeling that cough syrup. I've been so sleepy.
What Ronnie was trying to say.
What?
It's hard to understand you.
I need subtitles. So, I'm sorry that we aren't doing the rhyming song this Tuesday, but we're going to do it next Tuesday. And hopefully I'll be better. Sorry, I love you.
What's wrong with my face?
Don't you just hate it when you've been sick? I hate it too!
Hey, yo, what's good? Hey, yo, what's good?
Why do you look so...
Wow, don't you just love when your messy bun just doesn't cooperate with you?
Hey guys, so I'm walking Tiger right now at the park. So we broadcasted today, and you can go rewatch the broadcast on YouTube. Also, we broadcasted yesterday with Justin Baldoni, and you can rewatch that broadcast too. It was a fun broadcast. And you can rewatch those broadcasts on YouTube on our channel. So yeah.